Hey guys, welcome back to Clip Style Reviews. What we're taking a look at is Iron Factory, half of their IF EX-23 blaster set, War Giant blasters. This is Booster Spear, their homage to Blast Off, the rocket ship. So just getting a quick measurement of him. Alright, he is about I'd say 3.5 inches tall, just above. You guys are roundabout here. The reason I'm splitting this into halves is because it's 2 figures, 3 modes each, and then, you know, gotta review War Giant itself when it's all completed. It's just easier to split it up. Accessories wise, this one comes with, of course, the arm attachment, an adapter, whether you want to put a gun underneath them in blaster mode or attach them to the stand, as well as 3 blasters. And an attachment for the stand. Alright? And it's nice because each of these actually come with stands too. Now taking a look at his posability here, not a lot of up and down head tilt, but he has it. Full 360. Alright. Good shoulder articulation, full 360. Bicep swivel, as well as wrist swivel. Shoulders can move up and down. So he does have the very blatant waist articulation there, that waist swivel, as well as ab crunch, which is kind of cool. He has it there, and he has it there at the waist itself, so the crotch moves up, and the waist moves up. So if you want to get him into a more heroic pose there, you can. Now attaching some of these guns, he has multiple places to attach things. Trying to see the appropriate way to put the gun on here. Alright, you can use that back part there to attach it to the stand. There we go. Alright, now getting this guy into his elbow, it's not too hard. Just flattening this stuff out. These shoulder flaps, they actually tab into the forearms on each side to keep them straight. It's very nice. Straighten those arms out. Oh, gotta put the head back too. Alright. Just turn them around, flip them. And then the head goes down, but I meant the cockpit actually. Flips down and tabs in there, as you can see. And I actually forgot to turn the forearms correctly, which isn't too bad. I have no idea what I did to where it's not tabbing now. There we go. It's just having that visual. So pretty straightforward. Those are the wheels. Alright. Halfway there. So what you do, just bring those legs down. Goes right back in. Bring that whole leg piece down. Goes in. There's that. And the feet, you flip them around, bring them down, flip it around, bring it down. Hopefully my hands aren't too much in your way there. On each of these you got 2 flaps. And then they actually peg into the sides there. So 1, 2. Alright. Well, there's your alt mode. He does have faux wheels that can flip down. So if you want to do it like that, it's more than fun. Now he's got 2 pegs on the wings. And then of course he's got this piece here, that adapter, and of course you have a couple of options there. So you can peg this gun in, but then it's like, what do you really hold it up with? You can't really attach it to the stand there or anything. So I'll use this for the top of the gun, and then just use the stand adapter there. I'll take that off so you can get a better look at the playmat first. But pretty straightforward stuff. Straighten it out a bit. I don't know why it's not straight, but good looking jet. In the R mode, also pretty straightforward. So, and having those two parts. Bring it back, bring it back. Okay. And believe it or not, it's halfway there. And you just extend it. Attach the hand. Yes. Yeah. And I will get this off. Just to give you guys a preview, you see the double bend there, but he does have an actual arm bend as well. So it's a double elbow joint, full wrist articulation. Mine is really tight. Fingers are fully articulated. They even have some split in between the fingers too. So overall, pretty good stuff. And I look forward to showing you guys the combined mode. So it's not really much you can do with an arm, but there we go. And this has been Iron Factory, one half of the EX-23 War Giant Blaster set. This is Booster Spear. Again, they're homage to Blast Off. You can get yours at thechosenprime.com. Take a look in the description for the link to that, as well as the link to my full written review and gallery. As for this video, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.